Nigeria generates an estimated 32 million tons of solid waste annually, one of the highest in Africa. Most of the waste comes from households and, in some cases, local industries, artisans, as well as traders. Of this amount, only about 20 to 30% is collected, while the rest finds its way to sewers and drainage networks, causing serious environmental challenges. Now, one startup, Ecobanter, is now running an incentive-based recycling scheme towards improving waste management and building healthier communities in the Nigerian capital. CGTN's Deji Badmus reports.
Bottles that we've collected from water companies.
Blessing Ekwere is at the heart of the operations at Ecobanter, a waste collection startup she and a friend set up just last year. Their motivation is for a cleaner capital city, and it's thanks in part to their effort that Abuja is considered among the cleanest cities in Nigeria. Plastics are estimated to make up 2.5 million tons of the waste materials generated in Nigeria annually, and apart from Lagos, the bulk of the plastic waste are generated in Abuja.
Our scavengers usually go into dumps, households, and get all this around, and then we pile them up here until it's about, say, 2 to 3 tons before we move them to the companies that break them down for recycling.
Every day, scavengers contracted by Ecobanter go around the city, collecting waste which are then brought to this facility for weigh-in and sorting.
We do door-to-door collections and make sure that even your food waste, the food waste still ends up in a controlled dump site. We also do buy-offs from big scavengers. We enter dumps and do buy-offs from them, collect their waste in bulk, and then transport it to the company for them for recycling. So far, since inception, we've been able to divert 100,000 kilograms of waste from landfills.
Through the Ecobanter initiative, the scavengers now have a means of livelihood, and about 100 of them now work for Ecobanter. At the end of every day's supply, the scavengers and Blessing hold a meeting where each scavenger's supply is calculated and entered into the firm's record for payment.
Part
of the reasons we do this is to be able to earn a living to take care of ourselves and our families. But some of us are orphans. Nonetheless, they can be of assistance to their siblings or friends. In fact, what I earn from this trade in 2 weeks, even a top-ranking civil servant can't earn in a month.
For Ekwere and her colleague at Ecobanter, the vision is to create an active and sustainable system that ensures environmental safety one community at a time. And despite the daunting challenge, they are forging ahead.
We need more finance to be able to run this at a larger scale. That's what we want. And then another challenge we have is the mindset, because we are not just about having guys go around to pick waste. We want people to see the importance of sorting their waste, and then so already we in Nigeria, we already have a mindset that it's waste. As long as it has been thrown away, it's away. So we want people to see that they capture value for their waste, and then indiscriminate dumping is a problem to them.
As the zero waste movement continues to spread across the globe, stakeholders and waste management companies like this are keen on intensifying campaigns to enlighten the general public on the need for proper disposal of solid waste. Deji Badmus, CGTN, Abuja, Nigeria.